Hey guys, welcome back to another Vicrez installation video. Today, we're going to show you how we replace this beat-up, worn-out door on the Dodge Challenger with our brand new Vicrez OEM Replacement Door, part number VZ105253. Whether your door's been damaged in a fender bender or you're restoring your Challenger back to factory perfection, this is the perfect replacement for model years 2015 through 2023. We'll walk you through the full process from removing the old door, prepping the new one, and getting everything installed and lined up just right. So stick around, hit that like button, and let's get started. So the first thing we will need to do is remove everything we need from the old door to put in the new one. So we are removing the window. Now we are taking out all the wires and cables. These are needed for using the door handle, window controls, and the door speaker. Now we are taking off the side mirror so we can transfer it to the new door as well. Next, we are removing the door handles. Make sure to unplug the cables as well, and then we will be transferring those to the new door.
So essentially, we've taken everything apart from the door panel, since it's going to be replaced with a door replacement, and we have to replace the door. So essentially, we have to take all the cables from the original door panel and then place them onto the replacement door.
Now, we basically have everything we need from the original door. We can remove the bolts holding the door to the vehicle, so we can finally remove the old door.
Okay, so once you take the bolts, the two main bolts from the door, then you're able to remove the door. So we're gonna be replacing the door. As you can see, it's pretty fucked up. So we're unboxing right now the door replacement. Part number is VZ105253. So here we have the original one, and here's the OE replacement from Vicrez. So right now we are essentially transferring all the pieces from the original onto the new door. So essentially we're transferring right now all the parts from the original onto the new replacement part from Vicrez. Okay, so we transfer all the cables from the pre-existing OEM door onto the new replacement door, and the door handle we transfer also as well, and that's for to move the mirrors. Then we need the door panel just to finish up with the door handle. just adding the final bolts to mount the door and ensuring that everything is properly adjusted. Right now he's working on connecting all the cables necessary to ensure the door handle is working. So make sure that the plastic is nicely and properly secure so it doesn't come off the doors. That's what he was working on right now. So those are the cables for the door handle so it can work on the door panel. We're going to connect it onto the door handle. So now we're connecting the cables necessary for the windows to go up and down. Right now we're gonna go ahead and start with the speakers that go onto the door. So we need to adjust, make enough room so the window can go down. And the same thing we're gonna do over here. So we're gonna go ahead and install the window now. So we have to ensure that the window goes inside the indentations.
The last thing to do is test your window controls to make sure everything is working as it should. You can then put your door panel back on.
So once you're done with the door, it should look something like this. The procedure was fairly easy, pretty straightforward. It does take, I would say, a little work. With at least two people should be more than enough. And now the next part is going to be the quarter panel.